Hello programmers, in today's class we will see how we can link data and spreadsheets. Spreadsheets allow you to link the cells from various spreadsheets to summarize data from various sources. That means we can link cells from various spreadsheets and to summarize the data from that various sources. So first of all, let us see how we can set up multiple sheets by inserting new sheets. When we open a new spreadsheet, we have by default the sheet named as sheet 1. So you can see this is the default name, sheet 1. And when you open a new file in your OpenOffice Calc, you will get three sheets by default, which is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. And they are managed using the tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet. That means you can see the tabs here. When you want to open sheet 1, you have to click on this tab. Sheet 2 will open this sheet 2. So using the tabs you can control these sheets. You can move any sheet anywhere, you can place it, you can rename it at any time, you can insert new sheets. So first of all, let us see how we can set up the multiple sheets by inserting new sheets. First of all, there are three ways through which you can insert new sheets. First is by clicking on the insert menu. When you click on insert menu, you will get sheet option. So when you click on this, you will get this dialog box. Second way is when you right click on the tab, you will get this insert sheet option. When you click, you will get this dialog box. Now the third way is you can click on the white space or the empty space. This is the empty space. You can right click it, you will get this insert sheet option. So these are the three ways through which you can insert a new sheet. Now this dialog box, this is inserting new sheet. The position you have to tell, you can use before current sheet, that means the sheet which is active sheet. Right now third sheet, sheet 3 is the active sheet. You want to insert a new sheet before this current sheet or after the current sheet. So when you click on before or after, if you click on before, you will get it before, and when you click on after, you will get the new sheet after the current sheet. Let me show it to you. Okay. So this way I have got the new sheet, which is sheet 5 after the current sheet. Current sheet was sheet 3. Now second option, when you right click it, insert sheet. Now new sheet, number of sheet, you can even insert number of sheets by giving the numbers here. If you want to insert 2 or 3, whatever number you want, you can use this up arrow to increase the number and this to reduce the number. So if you want 2 sheets, you can give the number of sheets. Now this is name text field. Now when there is only one sheet, you can specify, you can give the name to your sheet. For example, I'll give it a name as Jan. But when you increase the number of sheets, there will be no, this name text field will not be active. Now when you click on OK, you will get 2 new sheets before the current sheet. The current sheet is sheet 3. So you will get 2 new sheets before the current sheet. OK. So this way you will get 6 and 7 before the third sheet. Now let me first delete these 2 sheets. How to delete it? Right click the sheet and then you can click on delete sheet. The sheet will be deleted. Are you sure you want to delete the selected sheet? Yes. The same way I am going to delete sheet number 7. You can delete. This way you can delete the sheet. If you want, you can even reduce the size of this horizontal bar so that you can view all the sheet tabs. So how to do that? Place the cursor, you will get this, drag it. So this way you can reduce the size of your horizontal this scroll bar, and you can increase the size of these tabs. Now let us see the next option of insert. I'll go back to my sheet number 1, right click and click on insert sheet. I'll get this dialog box. So number of sheets I'm saying 1, and I'm going to give it a name as maybe Feb. Now this third option, from file. If you want, you can insert a sheet from another file, and you can browse this. You can search the file from this button. Click on browse and then you can search the file like I want to insert a sheet from my file demo. So this way you can open your file. So this is displaying, this list box is displaying all the worksheet of that particular file. So these are the sheets. Let me first open the workbook or the file from my folder. So this is the demo file. Now you can see there are so many sheets, sheet 1, test 1, test 2, sheet 4. So here what I'll do is I will insert this sheet 4 which has this expense and amount. I'll go back to my file which is sample. Sample is the file where we are working, and I am going to insert the sheet from another file. The name of that file is demo file, and it is displaying all the sheets. So I am going to insert sheet 4 from that file in this file. So this way, and there is a checkbox which is link. If you'll check this, the data will be linked. Let me explain you what is this link option also. So right now I am checking on this link checkbox and clicking on OK. So this way, update all link it is asking. I'll say yes. Now you can see this is, as I already have a sheet 4 in the current file. This file is also known as workbook. So in my workbook I already have a sheet named as sheet 4. So when I inserted a sheet named as sheet 4 from another file, you can see it is now 4_2. So the calc has already done that. Now this is the sheet we have inserted from another file. Now let me just show it to you what is link. So I'll go back to that file, demo file. So this is the demo file, and in this I am going to change the value of house rent. I'm changing this house rent from 10,000 to 15,000. So I have updated this value. Now what I am going to do, I am going to close this file and save this file. Save. Now coming back to this sample workbook. Now here you can see it's 10,000. So what I'll do now is I will save this file and then I'll close this file. Save. Yes. Now I will again open my file. The file name was sample. Now it's asking update all link. When you click on yes, it will update all the links. The file contain link to other files. Should they be updated? Click on yes. So this value you have seen, this has changed from 10,000 to 15,000. So that was the importance of that link checkbox in that dialog box. That is insert sheet dialog box. Now if you want to move your file, you can move your file. Like I want to place this file after sheet 3. So just click and then drag it. So yes, after 3. So this will change. We can move file from any location. You can place it anywhere. The same way I have even shown you how we can delete the sheet. Just right click your sheet and then click on delete sheet. This will delete your sheet. Now let us see how we can rename our sheet. So to rename the sheet, either double click the sheet, you'll get this, or you can even right click and choose rename sheet option from this pop-up. So you can give any name to your sheet, like I'll give it as March, and then click on OK. So the name has changed. So this way you can even rename your sheets. Now let us see our next topic. Our next topic is create reference to other sheets by using keyboard and mouse. So here we'll see how we can create a reference to other worksheet of the same workbook. So our file name is sample, and we are going to use other sheets of the same file, and how we can create reference, that we are going to see in this option. Now for this I'll go to sheet 6 where I have the data. So in B2 we have the house rent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this amount from this sheet, which is sheet 6, to sheet 2. So for this what you have to do is, the step is keep the cursor where you want the data. Now you have to type equal to sign, Go back to the sheet from where you want to bring the data. So I'm going back to sheet 6 and then click on the cell. When you click on this cell and then you have to click on this check except. When you do that, the data will be reflected or linked to our next sheet. See why I am saying linked? When you go back to the sheet, when you make any change in this data, suppose I am making it as 10,000. So when I go back to the sheet 2, the data will be reflected in this sheet. That means these cells are linked. And you can even check this is equal to, when I clicked on this cell, I am getting sheet 6, which is the sheet name dot the cell address. So this way you can create reference to other sheet by using the mouse. Here I have used the mouse. Now let us see how we can create reference to other sheet by using the keyboard. We have used the mouse where we have clicked on the sheet and then we have clicked on the cell address, and this way we were getting the data in that in our active sheet. Now I am going to use the keyboard. So I am going to access this cell address, which is B3. So which is the phone bills. So 1200. I am going to create reference to this cell. The cell address is B3. So going back to sheet 2, just place the cursor, type equal to, type the sheet name. Sheet name is sheet 6, and then dot. That was B3. So now you have to type B3, and when you press enter key, you will get the data. So this way you can create reference to other sheets by using the keyboard. Here we have used the keyboard and we have used the mouse also. The formula is just it's very simple. You have to type equal to sign, then the worksheet name, whatever the worksheet name is, put a dot and then write the cell address. So this is the simple way how you can create reference to other sheet by using the mouse and the keyboard. Now coming to the next topic. So the next topic is create reference to other document by using the keyboard and mouse. In our last step, we have created reference to other sheet of the same workbook. We were using the same file or the same workbook, that is sample only. Now in this option, we are going to create reference to other file or other document by using the keyboard and mouse. So for this, again I am going to open my file, which was demo. So I'll double click this and open the file demo. Now from this demo file, I'll select worksheet sheet 4 only, and I'm going to access this data which is in B4, that is the electricity bill. I will put this data in my sheet which is sample file, and this sheet is sheet 3. So I want it here, so I'll put equal to sign. I'll go back to demo file, and just you have to click on the cell from where you want the data. When you click on this, you'll go back to the file. Now you can see here, this is the file address, and the sheet name was sheet 4, and then dot and the cell address from where you want the value. So this way you can create reference to other document by using the mouse. See, here we have used the mouse. When you press the enter key, you will get the data from that file, from that cell address. So which was 2000, you can see here. Now I will go back to the file. This was the way how we can get the data by using a mouse. Now how will you do that? By using your keyboard. When you want to access the data from another file, you have to type equal to sign, give the address of your file or the workbook. So here you can see this is file and then colon, then 3/ E drive desktop, then another folder slash, then folder name slash another folder name, and then the file name was demo.ods is the extension of our calc file, and then this is hash $, and the worksheet name was sheet 4, then dot and the cell address was B4. So this is the way, when you type this, you'll get the data. So this way you can get the data by using your keyboard. You have to type the complete cell address and the sheet name. So the file name and then the sheet name, dot and the cell address. So this way you can create reference to other file by using keyboard and by using the mouse also.